I just picked up the brand new purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's unbox it and check it out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, and I just got my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I got it in the new purple color, purple. So if you are a Northwestern Wildcat, you will definitely like that. As you can see, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I thought we would unbox this bad boy. This is the top of the line to ya. And this is the Pro Max with the 1 terabyte storage. So should be pretty big. And since I do shoot a lot of videos on here for you, oh, another little tear that I got to pull the bottom here too. So top and bottom. Oh man, there it is. Dude, you know, I wouldn't say that a purple iPhone is the iPhone that I would normally race out to get, but I will say I just like checking out the new color schemes. What you can see here is it's kind of a frosted glass back, and right now it definitely looks purple. Underneath my LED lights here, very, very bright. I will kind of see what it looks like in different lights, but man, I just want to walk around with this purple iPhone here in normal light, because even in this fairly well lit room here, as I'm looking at it, it looks more graphite than purple to me. And as we go into where it is darker, that just starts looking black, even underneath the ceiling lights there. Now we get a little purple iridescence, but otherwise it kind of looks a lot like space gray in much light. You know, it's just kind of when it reflects that purple at the right angle, you can see it. So, I mean, I think in most cases that is going to be very, very subtle. I mean, it's not like purple, like a purple shirt or purple paint or anything like that. I mean, it has like a purple iridescence. Probably the most purple is underneath the glass up here by the lenses. You can see they stick out quite a bit now. Even the shiny edges here, you know, the stainless steel bands have like a purple chrome like finish to them. So man, that looks good. And what you can see here is the big button, so big side button, and then on this side kind of your standard volume rocker, and then the mute switch up there. And what we have here is paper on the front, so I'm going to pull that off, and oh, just beautiful, big black front glass. And right in there, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that is where our dynamic island will be. So you can see under the glass what it actually is. There's actually 2 little cutouts there, but then they are surrounded by kind of a black pill shape, and that is your new dynamic island to hide those, but just looks really, really nice. You can see the microphone and the speaker down there. And I will tell you that I am going to go ahead and test this, especially some of the new features that I'm really, really curious about. The cinematic filming modes on both the selfie camera and the back camera versus my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And the one I really want to try out is the new action mode that kind of simulates a GoPro and those types of things. So that could be really, really useful if you do a lot of moving video. And I know that I am sometimes death gripping my phone to try to hold it steady, and it still doesn't look that great. So if they have really done a good job of stabilizing that, that would be really impressive. Even the wallpaper is impressive. Now you can see how it is there. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this up, and then you can certainly check out my longer, more in-depth review on the features and what I think about it versus my 13 Pro Max, and if it's worth the upgrade. So if you want to pick this up or any of the other iPhone accessories that have just come out, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.